Now, see, we are doing some update here, right? We are updating some columns here, some values here. It is getting stored in the table. Why? Because this feature is supported in SQL Server. Like database have also different types of version. Like in programming language, you have Java, you have C, C++. Similarly, in database also we have MongoDB, we have MySQL, we have Oracle Server. Okay. Done. In MySQL, whatever you update means I write an update statement, I execute it, it is auto saved in the table. But if you are using Oracle database, then what happens is that if you update something, some value here, after that you have to execute one more command, that is commit statement, just to make you know the difference. Okay, in SQL database and Oracle database. Okay, rest all are same, but when you update something in the table or you add something in the table, anything you do in the table, you enter any data or update any data in the table, here you are just directly updating it, it is auto saving it. Okay. But there what happens, after you update or enter some data to the table, you have to execute the commit statement. This happened for Oracle database. Okay. Because Oracle and SQL are the two databases which are mostly used. Okay. That's why I'm telling you. If someone asks you when commit is used, you may get confused. He may be asking it with reference to the Oracle database. Okay. Means any data change you make or any insertion of data you make, you have to execute commit statement there in the Oracle database, or else it will not be stored in the table. Okay. But here,
I think
there, yeah,
yeah, Oracle
yeah.
is also free to use or it is paid.
No, that is free to use, but yeah, that's the difference. Okay.
Oh,
Same commands will be writing there here only. Just the difference I'm telling you. Only one difference. Two differences are there that I will tell you. Okay, this is the first difference is that you have to execute commit statement whenever you want to insert any data or make any change to the data on the table. Okay, you have to exit commit statement or it will not be saved. But in SQL, it is getting auto saved. You don't have to do all those things. Okay. Next, there is a feature called rollback. Okay, rollback that also supported in that database. What it will do, let's say you have updated something or you have deleted something. Okay, next you want to retrieve it back. That feature is supported in the Oracle database also. Once you do rollback, whatever things you have deleted or whatever updated you have made, it will go back to your previous state. Means before any activity was done, that state it will go back. If you run this rollback script. Okay. So in interview, maybe they can ask you with reference to Oracle database, then you can tell it what is the use of commit statement, what is the use of rollback statement. Okay.
I think can you please repeat the rollback? I didn't understand.
Let's say there is a table. Okay. In an update statement, I'm changing this first name of person ID 24. Okay. In the update statement. But let's say I'm thinking, no, I did something wrong. I have to go back to my previous state. That means the original table. Then you can just execute rollback. It will come back to the original state.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So that is the use of commit and rollback commands. Okay. This may be your interview question. So I just told you, and that's the difference between, like, say, you are using SQL Server and you are using Oracle Server for database. Clear, everyone? Gautami, puzzle? Taliban?
Yes.
Uh, okay, let's understand operators. What are the different types of operators available in database? Okay, so first is addition operator. This is very simple. Okay, just you have to add two numbers. Okay, if you don't, we have yesterday discussed what is alias. So add some. If I don't use add some, it will not show me the column name match with sum. Let me do that. Let me execute this much. See, it is showing me 30 plus 20. Okay, 50. But this don't look good, so I can use an alias and I'll make it as sum. So it will show me a sum. Column name is sum. See, sum 50. So So you already know plus is addition, so it will do the addition. So this is one of the operator, addition operator. Then there is also a subtract operator, subtraction. Just execute it. So it will just circle 30 minus 20 will give you 10. Then there is multiplication operator. Execute it. So 20 to 20 will give you 600. Okay. Then there is division operator. So what it will do? It will divide, right? So if you execute it, it will divide and show you the final result. Okay. 1.5. Next. Next is your module operator. This is important because this you may have in your normal mathematics. So what is modulo? So when you divide something by something, you get a quotient. Okay, you get a quotient and you get a remainder. Let me show you. Just go back to your school days. How you are doing your division? Just go back to 5th class or 6th class. Let's say someone tells me do a division 5 divided by 2, or let's say 30 divided by 20. Okay. So what we did? We did a box like this. Then we write here 30. Here we write 20. Okay. Then I write here quotient. Let's say here my 30 divided by 20 means obviously 1 will be the quotient. So then I'll be doing a minus here. Minus 20 to 1 is 20. So minus 20. Then I'll get a reminder that is 10. This is how we did division in our school days. Yes or no? This is called
Yeah.
as reminder. Reminder. This is called as your quotient. And this is called as divisor. This is divided. Okay. So this is how we did our division in our school days. So this is the reminder which is left out. Okay. The reminder which is left out here is the result of modulo operator. That means if I tell 30 modulo 20, that means it will give me as the result will be the reminder which is left out. Okay. The result will be the reminder which is left out. That means it will give me this value 10 if I execute. Okay. So modulo is the reminder which you get after dividing it. If it was 40, then modulo would have been 0 because if it was at 40, so 40 into 240, so it will be 40. 40 minus 40, it would have given 0. If it was just completely divisible, so reminder will be 0. But here it is not completely divisible, so it is giving me reminder 10. Okay. So if I execute, it will give you 10. So modulo gives me the reminder of the what? Two numbers. Clear? This one modulo operator.
Yeah.
What about Gautam and Hazel?
It's clear, sir.
Yes.
Uh, next. Next, there are operators like equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. Okay. So, okay, let me show this also one by one. So one of the operators we have already used, that is equal to, that means now equal to operator we have already used, but again I'm showing it. So what we have learned today, if there is a table, I want to filter out some of the data. So there I'll be using where clause. That means I want a specific condition data to be shown which meet a specific criteria. So what we did, where let's say person ID is equal to 23. So it will just filter me, where clause is used to filter out the data based on the condition which I'm giving. So here I'm using the equal to operator. Here I'm using the equal to operator, right? So what it will do, it will filter out the data which has person ID 23. So here only one record has person ID 23. So it will, once I execute it, it will show me only this record. So here, see, just one record. So here I'm using the equal to operator. Okay. And where is used to filter out certain data which satisfy the condition which is mentioned after that. Okay. This is equal to operator. Next is your greater than operator. Let's say I want to show the records. Okay. I want to show the record whose score is greater than, let's say, 70. So what I can do? Where score is greater than, let's say, 70. So greater than 70 means only this 56 one will not be sold. Everything else will be sold. So this is the use of greater than operator. Let's execute that. See, the 56 one didn't got sold. So this is the use of greater than operator. Okay. Next is your less than operator. Less than operator, similarly, you can use just less than and so, see, first score is less than 70. How many values are there whose score is less than 70? Only 56%. Let's say score is less than 80. How many values are there? There are two values, 56 and 78. So you can see if I execute it, it will show me two values. See, two values. Okay. Next is your greater than equal to. So what is that greater than equal to 2? So it will, if it is greater than equal to, one minute. So is greater than equal to means it will also satisfy that particular value also. If a certain value greater than equal to means, let's say I write greater than equal to 78. That means it will also show 78 and also the value which is greater than 78. Let's say I write here 78. Okay. So it will show me the 78 row also because I have here either greater than or equal to. I am saying means any value which is equal to 78 or greater than 78. So if 78 is also there means it will also satisfy that value and it will show me the result for 78 also if you will see. So it is showing for 78 also. Okay, but let's say I write greater than equal to 79. There is no value for 79. So what will happen? Only the value which is greater than 79 it will show because there is no value which is equal to 79. Okay. We'll see only those values are greater than 79 that will show. So this one clear, right? Gautami puzzle, Taliwal.
Yeah, clear.
Yes. Yes.
Same you can go for less than equal to also. Okay, if I write less than equal to, same thing. That means, let's say I write less than equal to 89. So this 91 and 96 will not show me. 89 will also show because there is a value matching 89. See, 89 also appeared for me. Okay. Next is your not equal to. Let's say I want to show value which is values other than that value. Let's say I want to show records whose score is not equal to 91. Except 91, everything should show. So for that, you have this command. This one. That means anything which is not equal to 91, let's say, or 89. 89, there are two records, 89. Which values are not equal to 89, those record it will show. See, if I execute it, it is showing me those values whose record are not equal to 89. Other value it is showing me. So this symbol is used for not equal to. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is operators called add, between, and in. Let's see what is those operators. Okay. So first is AND operator. So what is AND operator? Okay, let's see that. Let's say I want to select a value whose score is 56 and subject is science. Just understand, and means both the conditions should be satisfied. If it is or, either of the condition is satisfied, that will show. But here, if I am using AND operator, so what will happen? Let's say I want to record whose subject is science and he have scored 56 in science. So I'll use where sub is equal to science and score is equal to 56. So how many records are there which satisfy both the condition? If it is AND means both the conditions should be satisfied. So only one record is there whose subject is science and score is 56. So if I run it, only one record will show. It satisfy both the conditions. It satisfy both the conditions. That's why it's so. Subject is science and score is 56. Okay. Now let I make it English. If I give a condition, he has scored 56 in English, there is no such record. So what will happen? No record will show. See. But let's say instead of and I'm making it or. So let's see what happens. Or means either English will satisfy or either 56 will satisfy. That means whichever English is satisfied, that it will also show. Whichever score 56 is satisfied, that will also show. Let's see that. See here. English showed for all this record and 56 is satisfied in sense, so it is shown for 56. So or means either of the conditions satisfied will show. That's the difference between and or operator. Okay. Next is between. Okay. Let's say I want to see all those records whose score is between 70 to 90. Okay. I want to see the all the record whose score is between 70. It's between 70 90. Okay, that means I want to see only those record for which the score column value is between 70 to 90. Okay, so there are 78, 89, 83 records are there. So I'm expecting three records. See, I'm expecting three records. That means whose score value is between 70 to 90. It is showing me those records. Okay. Next. Okay. Next is in operator. So what is in operator? Let's say in operator is used to show me, let's say I have two values. I'm not using any AND or OR operators. Okay. I'm telling that if these values are there, you just show me. Just like OR operator I have used, right? Same only. That means any of the conditions satisfy, you show me. Either you can do it OR operator, or there is one more command where you can use is okay. In operator, if you're using, then you have to keep the values. That is your, let's say, in OR operator, what you are doing, you can give two columns condition, but in operator, you have to just give one column's different value. That means I can give score either 56 or 91 or 56 and 89. Then it will show me all the score records whose score is 56 and 89. But in OR, what you are doing? You are giving two conditions. You can either give or for the same column value or different column value. But in operator, for the same column, you are giving different values. So let's say I want to see all those records whose score is 56 and 89. That I can do it, or also score is equal to 56 or score is equal to 89. Because in all we can give the condition for the same column also, for different column also. But in you have to give for the same column. So for score 56 and 89, I want to see the results. So I can give like this: score in 56 and 89. If I run, you will see it will show me only 56 and 89 values record. Okay. This much clear, everyone? Got me? Puzzle, Delival?
Yes, for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, let's say there is a means I want to see. Let me see. Do I have those type of records? Okay. Let's say, I want to see the records whose first name start with S. I want to see the record whose first name start with S. That means I want to see records based on certain pattern. Okay, I want to see records based on certain pattern. So for that, we have operators called like operators. Okay, let me show you. That means, let's say I want to see all the records whose first name start with S letter, then what I can do is select star from cursor where first name like S percentage. S percentage means the first letter should be S. After that, whatever is there, that is okay, no issues. But S percentage means the initial letter should be S. After that, whatever is there, it will match it. That means it will show me all the record whose first name is starting with S. So, first name starting with S is all these 5 records, this Ericsson, it will not show me because it start with E. So if I run it, you will see it's showing me everything will start with S. So for that, for using any pattern, I can use like operator. Okay. Clear or not?
Yeah,
Hello.
Chris.
Yes.
Let's say if I want to see, similarly, if I want to see everything which end with T, then I can give here percentage t. Instead of s percentage, I'll give percentage t. That means initial doesn't matter, but the end should be t. Okay, so it will show me this three because this three ends with t. If I run it, means you'll see this three ends with t, that will show me. Okay. Or say I want to see like which has HA inside it, but before it what is there, after it what is there, it doesn't matter for me. It should have, but or just let's say I want to show the subset, okay, which has I inside it. Before that what is there, after that what is there, it doesn't matter. So I can, for that, science also satisfy, biology also satisfy. Okay, and English also satisfy because I is there. So it should show everything basically. If I do percentage I percentage and I make it sub. Let's see what it is showing me. It is showing you everything because I is present in between every word. Okay. But if I make it to, let's say, N, then only science and English will show because N is present in science and English, N is not present in biology. We'll see only these two will show me. Okay. See, biology didn't show me because it doesn't have any in between. So this is how you can use pattern using like keyword. Okay. Next. Let's say similarly just the reverse. Let's say I want to see all those records. Okay, similarly I just want to see all those records which doesn't start with S. Let's say I want to see here only. Let's say I want to see all the subject who don't have N in between them. So what I can do? I can use not like percentage. So it will show me only biology. It will not show me English and science. Just the reverse of the first page. See, it just show me biology. Okay, just not like this. Just the reverse of the first page. Then or already we saw what is the use of or. Everyone clear these commands?
Yes.
Yes.
Uh, then next is your min, max, sum, average, count. These are the functions. These are called the functions available in SQL. Okay, let's see that one by one. Relating. Okay. Now this is my table. Let's say I want to see the minimum score. Okay. Let's say I want to see the minimum, means the lowest value which is present in the score. Then for that we have a function that is minimum score. So minimum score will show me the minimum value of the score present in this list. Okay, and I have used alias, so it will show me a smallest score. If I don't have used it, then it would have showed me the column name which is already there. I have used alias, so it will show me this column name. Okay, so it will show me 56. As 56 is the minimum value of this entire list. Let's run it. Let's see what it is showing. It's showing me 56. Okay, same I want to show you just get the maximum value from this list. That is 96. That I can do here is max. I'll make it max. Okay, so it will show me the maximum value. That is showing me 96. So if let's say you want to see which is the maximum value scored by a student, then you can use this command, or what is the lowest value scored by a class. You can use this command. Okay. Let's sum. Okay. Let's say I want to see the total of all the values present in this column. Okay. The total of all the values present in this column. Then what I can use? This command. Sum of score. that column name. So it will show me the total of all the values present in this column. See, show me the total. Okay. Let's say you want to see the average. That means it will plus this 6 value, it will plus and it will divide by 6. That is average. If you want to see the average also, for that also you have a command avg. So you'll see, it will show you the average. If I give average means, it will show you the average of all these values present in this column. See, 83.1164. So it will add all the values and divide by the number of values. That is 6 values present, so it will divide by 6. So it will give you the average. Okay. Let's say I have a table and I want to count how many number of records are present in there. So let's say I want to count how many number of records are present in there. So what I can do, I can use the command count here. So here I have 6 records. It will give me 6 as the result. Okay, here I have 6 record. So it will give me 6 as the count. See, 6.